Hi, in this video, I will show you how to put a password on photo album in iPhone. So right now I'll show you how to easily lock this photo album app without downloading any third-party application. First of all, make sure to update your iPhone to iOS 18. So I'm going to my iPhone settings, general, and going to about section, and as you can see I'm using iOS 18. In iOS 18 we can easily lock any app. So once you are using iOS 18, just hard press on Photos app and here tap on require Face ID and tap on require Face ID and verify your Face ID. Once you successfully verified, tap on done, and now if I try to open my Photos app, as you can see it's asking to verify my Face ID. After verifying my Face ID, I'll be able to use my photo album or photo app. So this is how we can lock our photo album app in iPhone. And to remove password or Face ID from photo, hard press on photo, tap on don't require Face ID, scan your Face ID, and the photo app will begin unlock. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.